cheese rolls for fatur. And this is a way you can help your parents in the kitchen while you're in lockdown. There. Now I'll show you all the steps. First, you get some pastry that's ready to use, and you separate it. There. Now, you're going to lay it out like a diamond and get your filling. We're using chicken and vegetables. And we're going to add some Mexican mixed cheese. Then we're going to get the corner and fold it in. Press it hard. Then we're going to fold the corners in from both sides really, really tight. We're going to roll it until everything is all rolled up. And we make sure everything is neat and nice. Then we get our paste and we put it on the other corner and we roll it up and it's done. We've made loads. This mixture contains 500 grams of chicken mince, 250 grams of shredded cabbage, black pepper and salt according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and cheese as per your choice. This is a binding paste made out of flour and a little bit of water. Preheat the oil on medium flame. Fry the rolls until they turn golden brown. Stir them to cook them evenly. Now the rolls are turning golden brown. Keep stirring them so they can cook evenly. The rolls are ready and they look terrific. You can serve them with your choice of dips and sauces, but I'm serving them with mint and tamarind chutney. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share these videos with your friends.